Hey guys, what is up? I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another vlog. So we are going to be doing a little Christmas decorating today. I have everything set out, so let's get started. This is actually going to be the wreath that's going to go on the outside of my door. My mom made most of it and I kind of added these pieces on the side here. It's so cute. I love it. And then of course we have this decorative blanket on the couch. It's so cute. Good evening, everyone. It is Monday night. It is about 6:15 and my apartment complex is hosting an event where we're going to be making s'mores tonight. I'm on my way back. The hot cocoa and s'mores were really good. I had a good time. It's like 47 degrees outside, but it felt so warm next to the fire. I loved it. It is Friday night and tonight is actually my company's Christmas party. It's being held at a steakhouse, so let's go. So I just got home not too long ago from the Christmas party and I had so much fun. Everyone was just mixing and mingling and having a good time. We also did a white elephant, which was so much fun, and I thought I was gonna have my gift until the very end and it got stolen. So what I ended up with was this wireless speaker actually, and it's a phone charger. It also lights up and you can change the colors around it. This is what it looks like when it's turned on. So even though my gift got stolen, I'm really not mad about it because this speaker is really cool. It is now Saturday night. I'm about to start getting ready here shortly because sunset is in about 30 minutes and we're gonna go see some lights. There should also be live music and some food trucks, so I'm excited for tonight. we're getting a little hungry, so I think we're gonna go get something to eat now. I just got home from work not too long ago. I think it's just gonna be a chill and relaxing evening. I'm gonna do like a movie night. I'm gonna make some popcorn and hot chocolate and just rest. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you really liked it. So make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.